This one is not in the book, but I found on the internet sometime. I will run away. This is about motherhood too. I will run away from all of you to my little boy. I will leave all of you, you with your thirsty hot looks, you with your cold stares. I will leave the faces of friends, the faces of enemies, and go to his bright face. Talking about your child. I will rock him gently. I will cover him softly. I will waken him by brushing his face with kisses. Mama, mama, I'm your mama. You alone can have me. In the quiet circle of darkness beside my child's cradle, I will be safe from all of you.